Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda, also known as Amateur Aries, and today we are doing a Boxycharm unboxing video for February. It's really not packed well from the sounds of it. So let's see what's inside. There we go. There we go. Finally. Let's close that up. Let's see what's not. It's not packed. It's not packed well at all. This is how it's packed. Matter of fact, they didn't even give me the paper. Usually they give you a paper and they pack it well, and the paper tells you how much it costs, how much the directions, what are the directions or what the product is. This doesn't have anything. This is the first time Boxycharm has ever done this. I am not partnered with them. I'm not sponsored by them. I'm not anything by them, so all my opinions are my own. But this is just... This is unsettling. I guess I'm going to have to guess each product, so this might be a quick video. I'm going to grab this little thing, this little blue thing, QMS Intensive Eye Care Day and Night Eye Cream, which is wonderful. I could always use eye cream. It doesn't give you directions on the bottle. I don't know how much it costs. If I find out how much it costs, I will post it right here. If not, I'm going to say like NA. For no answer. Boxycharm also came late this month for me. So, Fox Reels. Pretty Vulgar Fox Reels Extreme Volume Mascara. So we got mascara in shade 149. I think the box is really cute. You can't see it very well. It has birds all over it. Let me pull you closer so you can see. It has birds all over it. Doesn't have a smell, so maybe it doesn't have any fragrance. Let's see, does it have directions? Well, instantly, here it is. Fox Reels Extreme Volume Mascara will instantly increase fullness and deliver long, luscious lashes from root to tip with just one swipe. Delivering a flake-free and smudge-proof finish, the creamy texture allows it to glide on smoothly and create an intense and false lash effect that is so dramatic and long-lasting you'll forget that they're all yours. Ooh. I'm actually excited to try this because I get very, very picky in mascaras. Amika Supernova Moisture and Shine Cream. We get Amika stuff all the time in these packages. This Supreme Leave-In Cream in weightless conditions, tames frizz and heat protects for touchable soft hair that's full of shine, ideal for fine to medium hair. It does tell you directions. It says work through damp hair, use on dry hair to tame flyaways or refresh dry ends. Cream. I'm just trying to extend this video because I'm still a little bit upset that they didn't give me a piece of paper telling me the prices and what the items are. Ooh, I like the box of this. Look at that. Look how cool that is. That's a dragon right there. I might have to keep the box because I'm really, really obsessed with dragons. So, I might have to keep that. So, it is a matte liquid lip satin in Monroe for the perfect matte lip. Exfoliate lips, apply lipstick, and allow to dry. For deeper color, apply second coat. Let's see what color it is. If it's Monroe, I'm going to guess that it is a deep red. It is! How did I guess? There's no dragons on it. I think it's by Queen. I think that's how they're trying to say it, it is, but it's spelled Queen. So I don't know how to pronounce that if it's not Queen. So it's a very deep red. I really like the deepness of this red. Look at that. Look at that red. It's very deep, very pretty. I'm gonna have to definitely do a look with that color. Don't know what kind of look. Maybe I will do a blend look with the lip. Alright, I'm gonna keep the box though. So, this lipstick's forever in this box unless if I use it. Because I like dragons. And now for the last item, because this box is empty with no packaging and no paper that tells me what the things are. Boxycharm, you're losing your groove. The last item is Luxie Complete Sponge Set Bake Contour in Detail. It explains that there's a Luxie Detail Blender, a Luxie Precision Blender, and a Luxie Powder Blender. However, it does not tell me which one is which, so if you're new to makeup and you're getting Boxycharm so you can build up your makeup collection, you're gonna have to basically guess. I'm guessing this is the detail one, the small one. I'm guessing this is the precision one. I'm guessing this is the powder one, because I always use the bigger ones for powder, but that's just me. It would make sense that the smaller ones were detail. It's a cute little box that it came in. It's cute. It's a good box to put, to store your brushes in, your blenders in order to protect it from hair and dust and stuff like that. So it just, oh, they're soft. This is a teardrop looking one. It's very soft. Your normal looking one, and the other one's just a normal looking one. This one's medium size, and this one's large size. This one's also a little bit softer. So that's it for this box. I'm sorry, guys. I was expecting a piece of paper that told me what the items were and what they do and how much they cost and all that lovely jazz. My luck is that they didn't have that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more boxing unboxings. Wow, I'm just messing up all over today. Like, comment, and subscribe.